Is it worth it or not? Hey guys, it's Christine and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be reviewing this selfie ring light. Is it worth it or not? Let's do this! Inside the box of the selfie ring light, you will see this selfie ring light and also a cord to charge it. You can charge it through this hole right here, and that's basically it. Oh, and you also have a manual inside its box, and that's what's inside. So without further ado, let's move on to how this works. So it works by pressing this button at the back right here. 1, 2, 3. It adjusts the level of brightness. I will show you. Again. 1, level 1, level 2, and level 3. Huh, so bright, right? Now let's try it using my phone. So this is what it looks like with my normal camera without the selfie ring light. And now let's turn on the selfie ring light, level 1. That's level 1 of the selfie ring light. You can see that it changed a bit. And now let's move on to level 2. This is level 2 of the selfie ring light. And this is the maximum level. See? And that's it for the 3 levels of the ring light with the lights turned on. And then I will now turn off the light for us to see whether it's still bright or not. Hey guys, it's dark. I just turned off the lights because we need to test our ring light. And this is the level 1 of the ring light. So let's go. So this is the level 1 of the ring light with the lights turned off. And let's move on to level 2. Okay, it's brighter. I love this. In fairness, if you're gonna vlog outside, this would be perfect for you. So this is the level 2, and now let's move on to level 3. So this is the brightest of the selfie ring light, and this is with the lights turned off, and it's doing its work. See, in front of the camera, I look so bright and I look so clear. Also, on my phone's camera, it looks so nice, but you can see the patchiness of my makeup right here. But yeah, so this is basically what the selfie ring light does with the lights turned off. With the lights turned off. It's in fairness. Okay, now let's get back onto the video. So that's it. Those are the samples that I have given you with the lights turned on and the lights turned off. And I'm still here in front of the selfie ring light. I put the selfie ring light beside my camera. That's why you see a little bit of glow in me right now. Yes. So, is it worth it? I say that it is worth it, but do I have to buy it or do I recommend it? I say that I am not sure yet. If you are like me, if you're a vlogger like me and you vlog outside at night, then this one's perfect for you. But if you only take selfies during the day, then why would you buy this one if you only take selfies during the day? If your house is not well lit, then you can buy this one. So it really depends on you if you really want to buy the selfie ring light. But for me, yes, it's worth it for its price. But do I recommend it? I say that it depends on who is going to use it. It depends on you. If you really want to use it, then go and buy it. It's not that expensive and it's not that cheap as well. So it really depends on you, the buyer. So for me, I don't recommend it 100%, but if you are a vlogger like me and you go outside at night oftentimes, then go buy it for yourself. And yes, this is my review of the selfie ring light, and I hope you like this. If you like more videos like this, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as well, because I upload videos every single week. And I will see you again next week. Bye!